Hi guys, हाम्रो podcastमा सबैलाई धेरै धेरै स्वागत छ. You're
स्वागत छ.
You're listening to our podcast that is Tomato. It's a podcast where we have agreed to disagree because tomato भने पनि tomato भने पनि last मा त गोलगुडा नै हो. It's the same thing. So yeah, actually you're listening to me, Shrishti, and my friend Shreya.
Hi Shrishti.
Actually, के भन्छ I want you to explain के हामीले यो यस्तो खतरा नाम किन राखेको भनेर के
हामी चाहिँ त्यो त एकदम इम्पोर्टेन्ट कुरा हो अडियन्सहरुको लागि थाहा पाउनको लागि हाम्रो एकदम फ्यान फलोइङहरु हुन्छ नि जो हामीले सुनेर हाम्रो अटोग्राफ लिन घर बाहिर कुरिरहनु भएको छ.
Oh my god, Shreya, cringe म गइदिन्छु न त just say किन भनेर
किनभने म र सृष्टि we have been friends for like 7 वर्ष भइसक्यो अहिले अनि
dude 7 years. Oh
7 years होइन त
2013. Oh my god,
त्यो पनि कलेजको फर्स्ट फ्रेन्ड तिमी मेरो र म तिम्रो तिमी मेरो म तिम्रो हैन 7 वर्षको फ्रेन्डशिपमा what we have realized is कि हाम्रो चाहिँ एउटै कुरालाई हेर्ने पोइन्ट अफ भ्यू चाहिँ एकदम डिफरेन्ट हुन्छ. मेबी हाम्रो स्कुलिङ हाम्रो फ्यामिली हामी कसरी बटअप भएको छौँ त्यसले गर्दाखेरि पनि होला. अनि हाउ वी लुक एट थिङ्स आर भेरी डिफरेन्ट. अनि सो वी थट कि पडकास्ट हामीलाई पहिलेदेखि नै गर्न मन थियो बिकज सृष्टिको यति राम्रो एज अ रेडियो जकी एकदम राम्रो करियर छ अनि सी इज भेरी गुड एट इट.
Guys, I did not pay her to say this. I did not pay her to say this. I swear.
अनि यस्तो ट्यालेन्टेड अनि एक्सपिरियन्स साथी हुँदा मैले होइन पडकास्ट गर्ने आफ्नो सपनालाई किन अधुरो छोडौँ भनेर
stop.
अनि सो पडकास्ट त गर्ने तर केमा कस्तो के कुरामा गर्ने त भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ वी थट द बेस्ट थिङ इज कि हामीले चाहिँ यो जुन हाम्रो पर्सनालिटी छ जुन चाहिँ एकदम एकअर्का भन्दा एकदम डिफरेन्ट छ त्यो पर्सनालिटीलाई नै ल्याएर चाहिँ वी थट अफ हुन्छ नि
पडकास्ट.
We thought of
doing a podcast.
We should come up with a podcast where we have agreed, like Srishti said, we have agreed to like disagree. I know. And as I'm key kurako barema disagree गर्ने त Srishti.
Actually, Azuko topic is very fitting because we are going to talk about lockdown. It's something that we are going through as a world, as everybody is going through this lockdown. But the question is, lockdown, is it a time to be productive or is it a time to lay low? I can bet you like 1 lakh rupees that you and we are for sure going to have different opinions because I know for sure that through Instagram stories everything I know that you're going like productive boss ass bitch and I for one I am not. I'm learning. I mean, it pains me to say this, but I'm learning TikTok dance and just like continuing reading novels and then sleeping and everything. So obviously it's not a difference. So I was like, oh my god, this is the perfect thing that we can disagree on. I thought we could talk about lockdown. I'm pretty sure, am I wrong or am I right? You were going to say that it's a time to be productive, okay?
Yes, it's okay if I get
I know you so well.
You do 7 वर्षको friendship. I know your podcast सुनेपछि people are going to be they're going to hate me from first episode because I'm going to be like I strongly like with my एकदम core भित्रबाट I believe कि you have to be productive. You हेर आज कति 40 कति थियो आज म त गर्न नि छोडिसके एक्चुअली.
I don't
know अब यो रिलिज हुने कति दिन पुग्छ हैन जे होस् 40+ डेज भइसक्यो हामीले एपिसोड रेकर्ड गर्दासम्म. अनि 40 दिनसम्म तिमी प्रोडक्टिभ नभएर के गर्छौ एन्ड प्रोडक्टिभ नभएर यु लेटिङ दिस 40 प्रिसियस डेज गो बाई. यु गोना लुक ब्याक एन्ड रिग्रेट के हैन के
हो. You've totally answered your own question. I'm not gonna regret it because like you're only unproductive by the standards of the world that we used to live in 2 months ago. त्यो स्ट्यान्डर्डले चाहिँ yes, I am being unproductive, maybe. In my head, I'm still not being unproductive whatsoever. But that world is not the one we're living in right now. We are living in a crisis. We're living in a global pandemic. So you don't know what's productive and unproductive for a times like that. Crisis ko belama pani, you're working 9 to 5, you're studying 9 to 5. You might not be in the headspace because you're looking at news, there are people dying, there's so many shit things happening. So you might not be in the headspace to be that workaholic person that you were. You once were. I feel like it's okay to chill sometimes. And plus, like 2 months prior, we used to have this hectic schedule, 9 to 5 job. Maybe for you and I, it was more of a 10 to 7 or 10 to 8 or 10 to
9:30.
Exactly. So like, it's a shit schedule. So if I get 40 days to chill, I'll take it. I don't know how to act in a time like this. Everything is so uncertain. If chilling, laying low, I'm not saying keep on garden, I'm just being a human burrito in my blanket. So if it just like laying low helps me a little bit, I'll do it just to lag you, but I'm pretty sure you're going to be like, no. You will listen to me. So like, yeah.
See, मेरो पनि productive हुनुको मतलब चाहिँ तिमी चाहिँ बिहान उठेर 9:30 मा म जसरी अफिस जान्थे त्यसरी अफिस जान्छु अनि रिगार्डलेस मेरो काम छ कि छैन भने म चाहिँ 6:30 बजेसम्म आफ्नो ल्यापटपको अगाडि बस्छु इज नट productivity, it's stupidity. हैन मेरो लागि productivity भने के हो?
अब आए उठ पहाड के नीचे.
No, मेरो लागि productivity भने के हो भने तिमीले टाइम वेस्ट गरिरा छैनौ. I mean, तिमी नेटफ्लिक्स हेर्छौ, तिमी टिकटक गर्छौ, but that cannot be the only thing you do whole day भन्नु खोजेँ के मैले. अरु केही पनि हुनु पर्यो. There's more to life. तिमीले I mean मैले I don't know about others. यो मेरो हामीले डिस्क्लेमर दियौं कि दिएनौ थाहा छैन, तर I just want to be very clear कि यो तिम्रो पर्सनल ओपिनियन हो अनि मेरो पर्सनल ओपिनियन हो. सो हाम्रो सुन्ने मान्छेहरू जति 2-3 जना जो मान्छेले सुन्नुहुन्छ उहाँहरू पनि they are like हुन्छ नि, they have every right to like agree or disagree with us, हैन?
Oh yeah, totally. And you're being too generous. I'm sure 2-3 जना पनि छैन. So yeah, whatever. Go ahead.
So sad. Oh my god. मेरो के भने you're not wasting your time. मेरो प्रोडक्टिभिटीको के भन्छ एक्सप्लेनेसन या डेफिनेसन चाहिँ के हो भने मैले टाइम खेरा खारिरहेको छैन कि मैले टाइम वेस्ट गरिरहेको छैन. तिमीले टिकटक बनाइरहेछौ, ओके, यो हुन्छ नि टाइम स्पेन्ड गरिरहेछौ अनि त्यसपछि तिमी अरू केही काम गर्छौ होला. इट्स जस्ट द्याट यु डोन्ट ह्याभ टु गो टु यर जब, द्याट्स इट. रेस्ट अफ द थिङ इज सेम. तिमी तिम्रो फ्यामिलीसँग टाइम स्पेन्ड गरिरहेछौ, तिमी खाइरहेछौ, अरू कुरामा केही कुरामा कम्प्रोमाइज गरिरहेको छैनौ भने माइट एज वेल डु समथिङ productive. Do something that you enjoy. Do something that gives you something in return. तिमीले भनेको एकदम राइट हो कि इट्स लाइक पहिलेको सिचुएसन, पहिलेको नर्मल, पहिलेको प्रोडक्टिभिटी र अहिले यो 2 महिनाको प्रोडक्टिभिटीको डेफिनेसन डिफरेन्ट होला, हैन?
Exactly. You shouldn't be judged on the basis of how productive you're being during this pandemic. For a lot of people, being productive, being positive in a time like this would take a lot of mental toll on them. So like, if you can just chill with your family, like cook few meals, if that makes you happy, I don't feel like you should be judged for that. And you know that when the things are back to normal, you'll have to work twice as hard because the places have been closed for 6 months, 7 months. I don't know how long. So you know that when you go back, office 10 hours because everything is going back. Okay, but you have to churn out more time. Maybe 17 hours like it's gonna be a struggle when everything goes back to normal. So your life is gonna be twice as hard as it was before this pandemic. So you're getting this time to lay low, to be with your family, maybe pick up a low-key hobby or whatever. On the head, I feel like it's okay.
I'm not going to disagree. Right, okay. Like, first of all, judgment wala kura aayo, हैन? Ani judge garnu is a different story. Everybody is going to judge you. मैले चाहिँ म एकदम चिल गरेर के भन्छ मनी हाइस्ट को मैले बिन्ज वाच गरिरहेको छु भन्ने स्टोरी हाल्यो भने people are going to judge me. मैले चाहिँ म दिउँसभरिदेखि काम गरिरहेको छु भने पनि people are going to judge me, so that is a
different that is the true. It is so hard to please everyone, but it's so easy to piss off everyone. That is so true.
तर मैले चाहिँ मेरो अगेन त्यही हो के कुरा चाहिँ कि जस्तो तिमीले भन्यौ नि कि यु वेयर लाइक हुन्छ नि हामी वर्क अफिसमा एभ्री डे अफिस जाँदाखेरि हामीलाई यो छुट्टी यति चाहिरहेको थियो मेरो पनि लजिक त्यही हो कि यु गेटिङ दिस होइन माइट एज वेल युज इट प्रपरली तिमीले मेरै कुरा गरौँ न अरूको कुरा किनभने मेरो बुक ऱ्याकमा कति बुक छ मैले नपढेको मेरो किन्डल भरि किताब छ होला मैले नपढेको होइन त्यस्तै अरू के छ अब मैले कतिवटा मुभिजहरू होला मलाई हेर्न मन लागेको होइन अनि त्यो सबैको लागि प्रपरली मैले चाहिँ यो 40 दिनमा मैले चाहेको भए चाहिँ सबै कुरा गर्न सक्थेँ एउटा बुक पढ्न सक्थेँ भनेर त मुभी हेर्न सक्थेँ त्यो टाइम चाहिँ के भन्छ प्रोडक्टिभली युज त्यो मेरो लागि प्रोडक्टिभली युज गर्नु काम मात्रै होइन मैले पनि तिम्रो र मेरो खासमा कुरा त्यति डिफ्रेन्ट होइन बट आई एम सेइङ कि तिमीले चाहिँ लोकी बसेर मान्छे चिल गर्दाखेरि पनि हुन्छ भनेर भने होइन तर मैले चाहिँ चिल मात्र गर्न भएन र चिल सँगसँगै चाहिँ अरू काम पनि गर्नु पर्यो भन्ने चाहिँ मेरो कुरा.
My question for you is, the level of productive you're being right now. Since you were being 2 months prior as well. And you're saying कि when it's done, I don't want to regret saying कि मैले के गरेन. I don't want to regret. कि मैले भन्दाखेरि के गर्यो भन्ने भनेर हुन्छ नि. But do you think कि when this like lockdown is over and before this lockdown you always wanted a vacation, you always wanted to lay low bhanda, do you think you'll regret ki oh fuck I had these many days to just lay low, now I'm back in this hellhole huncha ni ab kaam garaya cha huncha ni bhanda चाहिँ do you think you'll be like oh shit I had those days to just snap and like not do shit and I actually work like an idiot जस्तो हुन्छ जस्तो लाग्यो.
No, but यो मेरो लागि अहिलेको टाइम चाहिँ
don't lie
no maybe
I'm acting like अर्णव गोस्वामी.
फ्युचरमा के हुन्छ त आई डोन्ट नो हाउ विल आई फिल हुन्छ नि त्यही अहिले मैले जसरी आफ्नो फ्युचरको सेल्फलाई चाहिँ प्राउड फिल गराउनलाई अहिले काम गरे जस्तो भइरहेछ नि त द्याट माइट नट बी द केस but the thing is यो मेरो लागि भेकेसन पनि होइन कि जस्तो तिमीले भन्यौ नि इट्स लाइक यो त पेन्डेमिक सिचुएसन हो क्राइसिस सिचुएसन हो होइन इट्स नट समथिङ द्याट मैले काम नगरेको भए पनि आई वुड हेभ इन्जोयड एज आई वाज के अरे हलिडेइङ खालको कुरा भयो कि मेरो लागि चाहिँ इट्स लाइक अब मेबी इट्स अल्सो बिकज कहिले एन्ड हुन्छ भनेर थाहा छैन अनसर्टेनिटी छ कहिले यो अब 2 महिना पनि हुनसक्छ इट क्यान बी 6 months also and I don't want to treat it like a vacation or holiday के यो मेरो लागि चाहिँ कस्तो भन्छ कि इट्स माई न्यू लाइफ इट्स माई न्यू लाइफस्टाइल मेबी तिमीले त्यसरी लिइरहेको छ होला इट्स अ हल्ट यो बिचमा यो सकिन्छ एन्ड देन आई गो ब्याक टु माई लाइफ द्याट पहिले जसरी बाँचिरहेको थिएँ जे गरिरहेको थिएँ त्यस्तो हुन्छ भन्ने सोचेर होला मेरो सबकन्सियसली मैले त्यसरी लिइरहेको पनि डिफरेन्स हुनसक्छ हामी दुईजनाको बिचमा.
Totally. Because तिमीले भनेको छ this is your new life, not new life. And in मेरो life, this could be a time for you to mentally, physically, emotionally detox from the workaholic self that I was before this pandemic. Because you and I, we both know that we are crazy alcoholics. Sorry.
Oh my god.
I meant workaholics. No, I meant workaholics, not alcoholics. I said, I'm with Anna, we are crazy again, we're crazy workaholics. So, मेरो लागि चाहिँ okay, this could be a good time to हुन्छ नि आफूलाई reevaluate गर्ने, अलि detox गर्ने, catch up with things, lay low, relax, spend time with my family. And actually talking about family, my mom said the cutest thing. Then we were having breakfast, okay? And you know my mom, she's like, she got into her feelings type of thing. And then she's like, really, staring off the horizon, and she's like, मलाई त यो लकडाउन कस्तो कहिले नसकोस् जस्तो लाग्यो भनेर भन्ने. I was like, are you kidding me? I am dying here. She's like, and I was like, Mama, किन त्यस्तो भनेको किन भन्दा she's like, because हुन्छ नि अब अरू बेला त I'm off to work, छिटो breakfast खायो, I take my lunch, I'm off to work, was also off. हुन्छ नि त्यो भन्दा चाहिँ अहिले चाहिँ हुन्छ नि the whole family is coming together and you and I we both live in a joint family. So the whole family is coming together. हुन्छ नि we're having breakfast together, we're having our meals together, we're prepping our meals together. To भन्दा चाहिँ mom was like, oh, यो lockdown नसके पनि हुन्छ, because हुन्छ नि अनि आफ्नो husband आफ्नो छोरीसँग खाना खाइरहेको छु भन्दा I was like, oh, that's so sweet.
That's
so like
really sweet. अनि मैले चाहिँ ल सृष्टि अब कन्क्लुड गर्नतिर जाँदाखेरि चाहिँ why not तिमीले चाहिँ people अब यस्तो हो नि त people are I understand कि कति मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ त्यो प्रोडक्टिभ हुनुपर्छ भन्ने प्रेसरले कति गाह्रो भइरहेको होला हैन why don't you give them some tips हैन so that they can
tell like, people who are telling them to be productive to fuck off.
हैन मैले भन्न खोजेँ सो अब के अरे मलाई पनि कहिले काहीँ हुन्छ के लाइक हुन्छ नि ओ माई गड म प्रोडक्टिभ भएको छैन आज भनेर त्यो स्ट्रेस अनि त्यसले नै लो फिल गराउन सक्छ नि त कति मान्छेलाई सो यु आर लाइक हुन्छ नि युजिङ युर टाइम टु बी प्रोडक्टिभ एन्ड टु चिल अल्सो सो तिमीले चाहिँ त्यो मान्छेहरूलाई चाहिँ हेल्प आउट गर्न सक्छौ होला बाई सेयरिङ यो what you do हैन कसरी चाहिँ तिमीले चाहिँ दुईटाको बीचमा ब्यालेन्स गरिरहेको छौ अनि I might be of help to people जसले चाहिँ प्रोडक्टिभ कसरी हुने भनेर अहिले जसले चाहिँ प्रोडक्टिभै हुन सकिरहेको छन् who can't drag themselves out of their bed who can't like stop watching Netflix and YouTube भन्ने चाहिँ उहाँहरूलाई चाहिँ मैले दुईटा कुरा भनेर हेल्प हुन सक्छ कि we can conclude त्यसरी के
हुन्छ yeah sure and they like I said the very first thing I said in this podcast like you're only productive by the standards of the world we used to live in 2 months ago and now so we don't live in this world that hectic world so first of all say I personally don't think that you should put put yourself in the pressure of being productive. Okay, if that's not something that's going to help you mentally, don't pressure yourself. You can take baby steps of being productive so that you don't regret this time. All I have to say is to be chill and to be productive is to find a hobby. To pick up a new hobby, it could be so easy. It could be cooking, it could be reading, it could be writing, it could be anything. Just pick up a simple hobby. You can be productive, but hobby is not something that you do like a work. Hobby is something you do यसो मन परेको बेला नि त तिम्रो काम जस्तो त हुँदैन नि त हबी भएपछि त सो त्यसरी चाहिँ you are chilling also and you're being productive also so मैले चाहिँ के भन्छु भन्दा pick up a hobby a simple hobby that also interests you त्यो भयो भने you can be productive and chill at the same time
त्यो टाइम बितेको पनि थाहा हुँदैन and you're
exactly.
actually like exercising your brain or your body
and you have learned something new पनि हुन्छ त्यसरी पछि साथीहरूले भेटेर if you have to say what you've been doing भन्दा you can say oh I learned how to knit or I learned how to embroider I read these things I learned how to write a poem or haiku or whatever so yeah I think pick up a hobby it's fun
and for those who are like struggling to like be productive चाहिँ मेरो चाहिँ first suggestion चाहिँ के हो भने wear good clothes I've seen people around me, I've seen my friends, I've heard from them कि they don't change their राति सुतेको लुगा दिउँसभरि चाहिँ नाइट ड्रेस लगाएर बस्यो त्यो लुगा is supposed to make you feel comfortable अनि feel हुन्छ नि त्यो बेडमा जाने लुगा भनेर हाम्रो साइकोलोजिकली हामी त्यसरी सोच्छौँ हैन सो मैले भने त त्यो जिन्स लगाएर ड्रेस लगाएर बस भने हैन बट like change to something else के not your night के भन्छ PJs
not your PJs
not your PJs त्यो भयो भने चाहिँ तिम्रो ब्रेनले पनि एन्ड लाइक हुन्छ नि रेडी भएर के कपाल सपाल कोरेर काहीँ जान ला त्यसरी बसेपछि your brain will also like act as if it has to do something
get in that mood
yeah त्यो मुडमा आउँछ हैन अनि सेकेन्ड थिङ चाहिँ मलाई मेरो बसले सिकाउनु भएको हैन मेक अ के भन्छ त्यो चेकलिस्ट के अनि राइट एकदम पिटी कुराहरू के like make tea or do laundry त अलिक गाह्रो काम भयो हैन like small कुरा के like call a friend भन्ने यस्तो सानो कुरा लेख्ने हैन अनि त्यसै त्यो चेकलिस्टलाई यस्तो काट्दाखेरि यस्तो टिक मार्क गर्दाखेरि जुन त्यो ह्याप्पीनेस हुन्छ नि स्याटिस्फ्याक्सन त्यो अकम्प्लिसमेन्ट वाला फिलिङ आउँछ द्याट मेक्स यु वान्ट टु डु मोर के जे भए पनि हैन सो सुरुमा चाहिँ त्यस्तो सानो कुराबाट सुरु गर्ने एन्ड देन इभेन्चुअली बिल्ड अप टु लाइक बिगर थिङ्स द्याट यु वान्ट टु बी प्रोडक्टिभ हैन जस्तो अब या त्यो एउटा भयो हैन अनि त्यसपछि अर्को चाहिँ मैले चाहिँ के गरेको छु भने मेरो बेडरुम र म चाहिँ काम गर्ने हो मेरो कम्प्युटर चाहिँ मैले अर्कै रुममा राखेको छु कि सो द्याट मलाई के होस् भने अफिस भनेपछि मेरो मेन्टल इमेजमा चाहिँ अब त्यो ठाउँ आओस् कि नट माई क्युबिकल अफिस बट द्याट त्यो अब त्यो चाहिँ डेस्क वर्क गर्ने मान्छेहरूलाई भयो अब समबडी हु वान्ट्स टु लाइक सृष्टिले भने जस्तो केही हबी लिन चाहनुहुन्छ बट देन इज टु आर टु लिजी र आफ्नो काउच चाहिँ छोड्न सकिरहनु भएको छैन भने चाहिँ त्यही हो एउटा बााउन्ड्री कि यो चाहिँ मेरो चिल गर्ने ठाउँ हो आई एम नट गोइङ टु गो एन्ड सिट on my bed for the rest of the day.
Yeah, that's also something. Actually, that's a very good point because that's also what I do. Then for the first week, say I used to chill. If I'm reading, I used to read in bed. Then, then bed is just for sleeping or like.
Yeah.
Bed is just for sleeping. Then if I'm reading, I read in my sofa, or I read in my table. But then if I'm watching a series, I watch it in my desk. But I don't watch it in my bed. So yeah, I totally agree with what you said. Shit, I was not supposed to agree.
But then, सही कुरा गरेपछि अग्री गर्नै पर्यो ल. अनि अर्को लास्ट पोइन्ट चाहिँ के हो भने keep rewarding yourself के म यति गर्छु अनि त्यो त आफूले अब सुरुमा त फोर्स गर्नु पर्यो नि त ओछ्यानबाट उठ्नलाई मोबाइल छोड्नलाई हातबाट अनि मैले 15 मिनेट गएर चाहिँ टेरेसमा घुमेर आएँ भने आइएम गोइङ टु गिभ माइसेल्फ अ रिवार्ड आइएम गोइङ टु इट अ चकलेट or I'm going to watch an episode of something. भनेर त्यसरी रिवार्ड गर्ने उ गर्यो भने चाहिँ त्यो रिवार्ड सुरुमा चाहिँ त्यो रिवार्डको चक्करमा काम गरेछ एन्ड देन इभेन्चुअली सबै कुरा ह्याबिटै त हो. सो द्याट इज वाट हेज हेल्प मी एन्ड आई होप हाम्रो के भन्छ जसले सुनिरहेको
वान लिसनरलाई पनि हेल्प गर्छ.
लिसनर ऑडियन्स त भन्ने आइरहेको छ
म त लिसनर भनिराखे बानी होस्.
It's
a force of habit. But yeah, I think my point is right and you're wrong and shut up. Like no, I'm just kidding. But yeah, I think
let's let हाम्रो listeners decide कि कसले भनेको right हो कसले भनेको wrong.
Comment down below, guys. Are you team Shrishti or are you team Shreya?
It's always going to be हाम्रो हरेक एपिसोडमा त्यस्तै हुने वाला छ. It's always
there's always going to be opposing viewpoints. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but I think you wala episode mein, first wala episode mein, I'm going to get hate and like productive.
I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. Okay.
Everybody now to cheat. Next episode.
No, but I think. No, but I feel like there are fair amount of people who also believe in being productive during this time. So I don't think you're going to get hate or get hated on.
Yeah, the hate vibe and tickets. I just want listeners right now.
Selfish reasons. Hate on me. Like, there's no such thing as bad press ones. There's no such thing as like, if they're hating on you, at least they're listening to you. So whatever. Well, yeah, I think we have discussed enough. And
अब यो धेरै बढ्यो भने फेरि पार्ट 2 पनि गर्न पर्ला सृष्टि where we switch teams. तिमी अब 40 को 80 दिन हुने जस्तो I hope 80 दिन नहोस् तर पछि त म unproductive I mean low key productive and तिमी चाहिँ एकदम खतरा productive रे अनि then we switch sides. Bro,
and I could be in my deathbed but I will not be like your level of productive during this lockdown.
I'll take that as a compliment, okay?
Whatever, it was actually insult, but whatever. Just kidding. Okay, I think. Do you think we can conclude it here?
Yeah, we should. Tere bole bhanne feri.
Okay. Tere bolyo bhane feri dant jaws dukha.
Right.
Lame excuse. Whatever. Okay then.
एकदम गर्न तिम्रो के भन्छ ड्रीम पूरा गर आज तिमी.
Hey, okay. Thanks reminding me. Hey guys, if you wait, I'm sorry. Like nervous bhaya ki ma mero dream pura garna lako bhaya ta. Hey guys, if you love this podcast, oh my god. Hey guys, if you like this podcast, be sure to like, share and subscribe and comment down below and press that bell icon for notifications. And also be sure to keep your ears, eyes, nose, and mouth peeled for the second episode of Tomato, where we agree to disagree. Well, okay. Well, with that, bye, Shreya.
Bye, Shristi. Bye.
Bye.